today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this professional tuner for violin. It's actually not just for violin, it's for a lot of string instruments. You can tune viola or cello for this one. And this is the only one that I could find that do multiple string instruments on Amazon. So let's see if this does a good job. So I'm also going to tune my cello today. And here is the tuner. It is pretty small, and the brand is called Music. So there are two buttons in the back. So to turn it on, just press the top button. But before that, let's attach it on our cello. Let's put it over here. So you could put it over here. And the screen does rotate a little bit, so you can put it in the middle and it will rotate. So press the top button, and there you have it. So as you can see, there is a rubberized feet, so it doesn't scrape or scratch your instrument. And you can change the settings and by clicking the bottom button. So as you can see, there's cello, bass, double bass, chromatic, violin, viola. And also you could change the hertz, so it goes like in intervals of 10. So you should set it at 440. So right now let's try to tune it with a cello. So that's cello, and so this is the C string. So that's the wrong string. I see it's the correct string, but we have to tighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's try to push it in. So that's the C string. Oops, I'm already on D. So we're really close. So we can use the fine tuner. So over here we can, now we're really close. So I'm gonna keep on toggling turning the fine tuner. Okay, I think I went too much. There you go, that's perfect. Now let's move on to the G string. It's way too far, so let's twist it. And so it's supposed to be G. So it's not G. So it's still not on the G. So let's push in. There you go, we're getting close. One more. Push it in and hope it's wrong. So there you go. It's really close. So that one is really close. So that one is perfect. Now let's tune the D string. So it's very far, so let's twist the string.